Winter inside is crushing me now.
I am alone, I am scorned. I can't remember to forget you. I just weather the storm.
The love that I had, it drew with the tide. Stirring the waters where hearts lay bare. The cuts on your skin and the red in your eyes. Enfolding the shame into despair.
Drift like a cloud and flow like water. Seeing that all life is a magnificent illusion, a playing of energy, and there is absolutely nothing fundamentally to be afraid of. Fundamentally. You will be afraid on the surface. You will be afraid of putting your hand in the fire. You will be afraid of getting sick. But you will not be afraid of fear.